Hi, my name is jonelscholtz. I'm a portrait artist. I live in South Africa. Addicted to Art asked me to do a tutorial to inspire people to learn more about different types of art. My main medium that I use are oil colors. I do mainly portraits and figurative works. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, you can contact me on my website. It's www.jonelscholtz.co.za. I'm also on social media. Instagram, it's jonelscholtz art, and on Facebook, it's just jonelscholtz. And then I've got a YouTube channel as well. Just search jonelscholtz on YouTube and you'll get me. I've only started it during lockdown, so it's very informative. It's very in-depth, but please subscribe to it and give me a like. I would really appreciate it. And then I think from this tutorial, one really good tip you can take is the eyes are usually the focus point on your portraits. So make sure the tonal contrasts are not too high, because that's usually a rookie mistake most people make. the contrasts are too high, so the eye doesn't look realistic. It's not necessary to make your contrast so high. So make sure you watch your tonal values that's next to each other if you work from a photograph, and use those. They are there to help you. And I hope I'll hear from you all again. Enjoy watching all the other videos and hope to see you again.